Hi guys, I'm here in Holland Park, London. Please enjoy my walking tour. Hi guys, I'm here in Holland Park. Please enjoy my walking tour. This is our first stop. Look at this one. Okay. Look. Oh, it's unique. Let's see what is written here. Replacement 3. Wow. Look at this. Very unique. This is a Holland Park, so everywhere there is something like this so that you can sit and eat and rest. It's kind of cute. How about this one? Look. The wooden chair is everywhere. Look at this. And let's go there. Gumaganda ang paligid. Wow. Rose. There's a lot of beautiful roses. Look. Ah, wow. There's a roses here. Look at the roses. It's everywhere. Gumaganda ang paligid kung bawat tao ay puno ng pag-ibig. Napapawi ang pighati, masilayan lang ang iyong ngiti. O kay gandang isipin ang mundong puno ng pag-ibig. Napakanta ko guys sa ganda ng flowers. Sorry about that. Let's go. The children's playground is over there. The children's playground. I cannot go over there. There's a lot of children playing. So let's go here. There is a small cafe here. And the football club is there. There's a lot of people in the cafe. And then that's the football area. Okay, we'll go at the other side. Okay, let's go there. What's in here? It's the access to the another garden. Let's go. It's sunny today, 19 degrees. Yeah, we'll pass through. Okay, we're going here. We're gonna walk through there. Look, it's sunny. And did you hear the bird chirping sounds? Lord Holland. It's under his name, Holland Park. Oh, pretty. there's another one. Let's go there. There's a lot of squirrel. Oh. Other one.
That's my coffee. These guys are not my coffee.
Ayun pa, binibigyan sila ng pagkain ng lalaki.
Что говорил видеозвонком. Я хочу белок. Эй, алло, я белка.
The guy is feeding them, so that's why they are like this everywhere. Wow, it's so refreshing. There is a wind, and the nature is so beautiful. I hope you enjoy my walking tour. And did you hear the bird chirping sounds? Diyan guys, every Saturday yung football ng mga bata. Tapos dun sa kabila yung mga medyo malalaki na. And guys, dun yung cafe. Tapos ito yung mga football ng mga bata. Ayan, we go there, bus station na yan. Paglabas dyan, bus station na. Gigilid lang tayong konti. Ayan. This is the end of the walking tour. We're here at the gate. Okay guys, welcome to Holland Park. It's so hot, 19 degrees. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and God bless us all.